Good morning, students. I am going to start one question, question number 8 of TS Grammar. In this question is on 1st April 2015, Star Limited purchased 5 machines of 60,000 each. The first machine was sold on 1st April 17, it is loss of 8,000, and second machine sold on 1st July 2018, it is loss of 12,500. And 1st October 2018, a new machine was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. Depreciation charge 10% per annum under straight line method. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. And this question is machinery accounts are prepared for 4 years. So first we have to find out the selling price of these two machines. So first machine here is cost is 1st April 15. It is 60,000. And the depreciation for the year is it is 6,000. So after 1 year, the 1st April on 16, it is 54,000. And again, the depreciation of the next is 6,000 on, so it is 48,000 on 1st April 16. And this machine was sold at a loss of 8,000. So cost is 48,000 and loss is 8,000. So if this is the loss, so this machine will be sold at 40,000. So 40,000, this machine was sold at a price of 40,000. That the amount that we have to require is. Second machine. On second machine, it will be purchased on 1st April 15, again on 60,000. Depreciation for the first year is 6,000 and it is 54,000. Again 6,000, it is the value of 1st April 16. Again we have to find out 48,000. It is on 1st April 2017. So this machine was sold on 1st July 2018. So 48,000. Again 6,000 we have to charge. So 1st April 2018, it will be 42,000. And this machine was sold on 1st July 2018. So cost of 1st July 2018, 1st July 2018. So there is the duration of 3 months. So duration of 3 months, so 1/4 it is, so 1,500. Depreciation for 3 months is so 1,500. So 42,000 minus 1,500. So it is 40,500. And again it is having a loss of rupees 40,500, and the loss is 12,500. So 12,500. The total selling price will be 28,000. So first we have to calculate the selling price of these two machines. Now the next is we have to prepare the machinery account for the next 4 years. So we draw a format of the ledger account of these 4 years. The format of ledger, the same here is. Machinery account I am preparing here is. So machinery account, so preparing machinery account. For the 4 years, this is the debit side here is amount and the journal folio, and this is the date. Same thing here is date, particulars, journal folio and amount. So on 1st April 15, purchase a machine, 6 machine of rupees, 5 machine of rupees 60,000. So to bank account, so 5 into 60,000 is 3 lakh. So first is purchase here is 3 lakh. and the depreciation charge on 31st March 2016. 31st March 2016 by depreciation is 30,000. 10% of 3 lakh is 30,000. So 30,000 is the remaining amount, is balancing amount is by balance carried down on the 31st March 16. So 2,70,000. So first we have to prepare here is 3 lakh it is. On the second year is 2,70,000. It is to balance BD on 1st April 16. So 1st April 2,70,000. Again the depreciation is 30,000 on 31st March. It is 31st March 17. So by depreciation account, the amount is 30,000. So by balance CD, it is balance carried down here is on the same date, 31st March 17. 31st March it is 17. Balance CD, it will be 2,40,000. So 2,70,000 here is. On the third year is on 1st April 17. So 1st April 17. So to balance BD 2,40,000. Very simple question is 2,40,000. In this year we have to sold a machine on the first day 1st April 17 by bank. The sale proceeds we have already calculated here is 40,000. And loss on sale, it is 5,000. Loss on sale, sorry, 8,000. Loss on sale 8,000. And at the year ending 31st, it is 1st April also, and 31st March it is on 18 by depreciation. So by depreciation only one machine is sold, so 2,40,000, the remaining value 2,40,000, and the depreciation is 24,000. So balance will be balance carried down, it is 1,68,000. So 1,68,000, it is the value of after 1 year is 1,68,000. This is 31st March 18. The balance is 1,68,000, and the total of this side is 2,40,000. So 2,40,000 here is. Now 1 year we have to prepare for another year is 1,68,000. So for the next year that we have to draw another figure here is machinery account we have to prepare for the next year is 2018-19. 2018-19 machinery account. Again I am drawing here is this is the column of date. here is particular and general for the amount. The balance that is carried forward on the last year is 1,68,000. So on 1st April 2018 to balance BD it is 1,68,000. And on the 2018, on 1st July 2018, the 1st July 2018, this machine was sold, that is already calculated here is by bank, calculated is 28,000, and loss, it is loss on sale, it is 12,500 on 1st July 18, again on 1st July 18, 12,500, and depreciation charge for that particular machine here is by depreciation account is 1,500, depreciation for 3 months. And at the end of the account year again you have to find out the depreciation, and before that on 1st October 18, one more machine was purchased for rupees 1 lakh. So debit side here is 2,68,000, and the depreciation charge at the end of the accounting year 31st March, here it is 19. So depreciation calculated here is, so 4 machine, 6 out of 6 machine, 4 machine was left. So 4 machine is 60 into 4 machine here is, so 60 into 4, so it is 2 machines were sold out it is. So depreciation of the remaining machine is 18,000 for this machine is, so depreciation account here is the 18,000 for the remaining values and 5,000 for the new machine. So total it is 23,000. So 23,000 depreciation charge on the remaining 4 machine here is, and 1 year is balance sheet it is. So on 31st March 19 year is by balance CD. So balance CD it will be 2,03,000. So total is 2,68,000. So on 1st April 2019, the value of machinery is, it is 2,03,000. So in this way we can solve this question number is question number 8. Very easy question is, number of machines are different, so we can find out here is. Again I am going to solve one more problem on which is applicable for the GST also, and this question number is, this question number is 12 in the textbook TS Gravel. So I am reading this question is, and this question tells us that it is based on the GST. So what is the impact of GST that is coming here is, on GST modern limited machinery purchase here is on 1st April 2016, it is 60,000, one machine is purchased, and on 1st October 2017 purchase another fresh machine of 20,000, here is including CGST and SGST, adding CGST and SGST 6% each, and 30 June 2018 sold the first machine which was purchased on 1st April 16, 38,500 and charging IGST 12%. Depreciation is 12% per annum straight line method. Accounts are closed on 31st March every year. So prepare the machinery account for 3 years. So accounts are closed 31st March every year. First machine purchase on 1st August 2016. On 1st August 2016, I am writing here is on 1st August 2016 purchase a machine of 60,000, and 1st October 2017 it is 20,000 purchase another machine 20,000, and GST is 6%, SGST and CGST. And on 30 June 2018 the first machine sold. Actually this is the question is. So as per the date wise, on 1st August 2016 purchase a machine 60,000, on 1st October 2017 purchase another machine 20,000, adding here is CGST and SGST 6%. Here is on 30 June 18 the first machine was sold. First machine was sold for 38,500. Based of this information, now I am going to solve this question is, and this question number is 12. So this question number is 12 in the textbook TS Gravel. So we can find out the amount that is I have sold here is. So on 60,000, now machinery account is preparing machinery account. It is also very easy question here is. On 1st August 2016, on 1st August 2016, to bank purchase 60,000. I am doing the calculation on this question is 60,000, and the depreciation of this machine is 20% straight line method, and it is purchased on 1st August. So depreciation charge for this 1st August to 31st March 17. So 31st March 17, the depreciation charge for 1st August 2017, that is by depreciation account it is 8,000, calculated 8,000, and balance here is on 31st March 17. 31st March 17 is by balance carried down 60,000 minus 8,000, it is 52,000. We have to prepare for 3 years. So 3 years, first year I have done it this. On next is 1st April 2017 to balance BD. So to balance BD 52,000, and on 1st October 2017, the new machine purchase for rupees 20,000. So to bank account, in this question is purchase 20,000. So the value of machinery purchase is 20,000, and GST it is included it, but it is not giving any impact in this areas. So purchase machinery, the cost of machinery purchase for rupees 20,000. So 20,000 machinery purchase. So total value of this is 72,000, and it is 72,000. Depreciation calculated on this here is. So depreciation calculated on 31st March 18 by depreciation. We are having two machine here is first machine and second machine. So first machine depreciation calculated here is 60,000, 20% is 12,000. So machinery, it is 12,000 for first machine, and purchase on October 20,000. So 4,000 is the depreciation for the whole year, purchase on October. So half of the depreciation is 2,000. So it is 14,000 depreciation, and the balance of this machine is by balance CD. The first machine balance is 52,000 minus 12,000. So it is 40,000. First machine cost is 40,000, and second machine cost is 20,000 minus 2,000 is 18,000. So it is 58,000. So total of this side is 72,000. So balance CD is 58,000. Again we have to calculate, we have to prepare the machinery account for one more year. So one more year I am doing that is for one more year. Again drawing the figure here is one more year since on 1st April 2018, 1st April 2018 to balance BD, it is 58,000, and on 30th June 2018, on 30 June 2018, the first machine was sold. So 30 June 2018 and 1st April to 30 June. So we have to charge the depreciation is April, May and June. Depreciation for 3 months. So 40,000, the value of 40,000 charge depreciation is 3,000. So by depreciation is 3,000, and it is sold on 38,500. So sold on 30 June, it is sold on 38,500. Bank it is 38,500. So 38,500 plus 3,000, it is 41,500. But the actual cost of this machine is 40,000. Here is 41,500. So 1,500 is the profit of this machinery. So profit on sale. So profit on sale of this machine is 1,500. So now coming on the last here is on 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. Again depreciation charge for the year is one machine here is first machine was sold, one machine is left, the which cost is 20,000. So depreciation of 20,000 is 4,000. So depreciation of one remaining machine is 4,000. So by balance CD here is after calculating the difference here is 58,000 plus 1,000. So it is 59,500. So the remaining amount is 14,000. So 14,000, it is 59,500. So on 1st April, it is 19. So 2 minus BD, it is 14,000. So the cost of machinery on 1st April 2019 is 14,000. Again, I am going to solve one more problem is, so it is also very easy question and very important question it is also, and this question is question number 9 of your textbook, question number 9. So question number 9 of this textbook is question is in question number 9. On 1st July 2015, so one machine purchased for rupees 30,000, and on 1st April 2016, another machine purchased for 20,000, and 1st October 2016, one more machine purchased for 10,000. On 1st April 2017, sold one third of the first machine. So one third of the first machine was sold at rupees 3,000. So the question is, on the 1st July 2015, purchase a machine of 30,000. Again, addition is made on 1st January 2016 for 20,000, and 1st October 2016 again 10,000, and on 1st April 2017 sold one third of the first machine at a cost of rupees 3,000. So we have to prepare the machinery for 3 years. So one third of the machine. Now calculation of the profit and loss of this first machine is 30,000. One third of this machine is sold. So one third of the first machine is 10,000, and depreciation charge on that is 10,000 is on July 2015. So July 2015. So depreciation charge here is on this machine is 30,000. Here is depreciation charge. It is given is 10% per annum, and accounts are closed 31st March every year is. So 10%, and it is on July 1st July 19 here is. So 1st July 19, the depreciation charge here is, so 10,000 here. So 10,000, depreciation is 10,000, and it is 10%. In July to 31st March is. So July, so April, May, June, 3 months is, so 9 months it is, 9 by 12. So it is cut here is, so 20 I have cut here is 3, and 4 it is, so it is 250, it is 750. So 750, it is 9,000, so 250 on 1st April, it is on 16th. This is the cost of 1st July 15. So 9,250 on this machine was sold on, this machine was sold on 1st April 2017. So 1st April it is 16 years. So after 1 year is, it is 1,000 it is. So 8,250. So this machine is value of 1st April 2016. Again, this question is based on a straight line method. So 8,250, and it is sold at a cost of 3,000. So 3,000 cost it is. So 5,250, it is the loss arises on the sale of this machine is 5,250. Now coming to the question is, this is the question, I think you are very clear about this. So prepare the machinery account for this year. So first we have to find out this machine is format I am doing. There is machinery account. So this it is. So on 1st July 17. So 1st July it is 15 to bank 30,000. On the same accounting year, on 1st January 15. So to bank 20,000. Depreciation it is 50,000 here is total value 50,000. Depreciation charge on this machine here is, now the first machine on it is 31st March 16. By depreciation on the first machine it is 30,000, calculated is 9 months is 2250. 2250 for the first machine, and second machine purchased on 1st January 2015 charge for, so 3 months it is 500. So first machine and second machine 2750 of this machine is 2750. So balance is 31st March 16 year is by balance CD. So 30,000, 50,000 minus 2,750, 47,250. 47,250. This is on first year is. On the second year on 1st April 16 to balance BD. It is 47,250, and one addition is made on 1st October. 1st October 16. One more addition here is for rupees 10,000. So 57,250. The depreciation charge on this year is on 31st March 17. By depreciation charge on this year is the first machine 30,000, second machine 20,000, so 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000, and here is this machine 10,000, and a 6 month it is 500. So 3,000 plus 2,000, 5,000, 5,000 plus 500, so it will be 5,500. First machine is 3,000, second machine is 2,000, and third machine is 500, so it will be 5,500 the depreciation charge on this machine, 3 machine. And balance here is on 31st March 17 by balance carried down. So 57,500 minus 5,500, 51,750. 51,750. 57,250. Now on the last year is on the third year. So third year on 1st April it is 17 year is 18. So 2 balance BD. So 2 balance BD. This amount is 51,750. 51,750. And this machine was sold here is the profit already calculated on 1st April. It is on 1st April it is